How to Draw for Beginners, your step-by-step guide to drawing for beginners. HowExpert with Christy Paraja. HowExpert publishes quick how-to guides on unique topics by everyday experts. Visit howexpert.com to learn more. How to Draw is a practical drawing course that will guide you in learning how to draw in general. This guide will teach you different techniques in drawing different kinds of things from the most fundamental skill of arts. Become a better artist by getting this easy-to-understand step-by-step tutorial, and check out other types of drawings that will teach you to stretch and improve your skills. Discover the secrets of success in learning how to improve in drawing. Be proud of yourself about how great your skills have improved. Inspire your friends with your new drawing skill. You don't have to look and pay for other artists to draw projects or personal gifts to your friends and family. You don't need expensive and complicated trainings to learn how to draw. Learn how to draw freehand. Learn how to compare visual arts and expressionist arts. You can make any type of drawing that you can use as a unique theme for events or parties organized and held at your place. You can even make additional earnings by drawing. Start living your dreams of becoming a dedicated artist. Relive the stress that you had for the day by transferring your emotions on the paper. Each chapter includes magnificent illustrations to delight your view and not wear your eyes with rushed drawings. Every guidelines, strategies and recommendations we've included were well thought and practiced for you to understand it as easy as possible. If you want to learn quick and easy ways to draw, How to Draw step-by-step guide is the best for you. Start learning today. About the expert. Christy Paraja spent 4 years in the banking, finance, and customer service industry. This was the career that she had to pursue based on her background studies. She learned more than what she expected, but always felt that it was not enough. She wanted to become an artist, and she thought she could never become one. When Christy Paraja was in junior high, she drew an artwork for the school's lobby as requested by one of the teachers. The Visual Arts Club advisor, who later on became her mentor, saw her work and recruited her. He exposed her to many art contests, and she received many awards just within those 2 years. She eventually became the club's president and graduated with pride at having that title. For almost 20 years she hid her artworks and secretly but persistently trained herself in drawing, painting and writing. Realizing how much she has improved her skills gave her the courage to achieve her lifetime wish. Despite disapproval and criticism, she continued practicing. She is highly skilled at different works of art, and manga illustration is her utmost favorite since she is also a big fan of anime and manga. She never stopped dreaming of becoming a real manga artist, and she is fulfilling that dream now and has always believed that it was never too late. One piece of advice from Christy Paraja: don't ever be afraid to chase your dreams, because if you truly enjoy it, your dreams will be the one chasing you in the end. And you can never run away from what your heart truly wants. Practice a lot and do not lose the passion of learning something new that would be helpful in improving your skills. HowExpert publishes quick how-to guides on unique topics by everyday experts. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.